Hello everyone, I am back on the channel and I am super excited to restart this journey with you. From today onward, I will be sharing practical knowledge, tools, case studies on climate resilient, disaster risk management, building technology, which is mostly powered by cutting edge tools like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and so on. So all of this video will be benefit for you if you are a student, if you are a researcher, development professional, or if you are just passionate about the sustainability and technology. So from now you will get regular video. So let's dive into our first video of time series analysis. So we will learn how to do a time series NDVI analysis using Google Earth Engine to monitor the vegetation health, forest cover, and so on. So before studying, I believe that those who are watching this uh, video, I hope that you have a basic understanding on the remote sensing and satellite image analysis and use of NDVI. So NDVI is a very important index to measure the vegetation health for the forest area, for the agriculture area, or for a area which is a build-up area. So this normalized difference vegetation index help you to identify the level of vegetation. So in this index, the value ranges between -1 to +1. If it is the close to +1, means that your vegetation is in good health, or if it is below 0 to -1, it's really a stressed condition. So uh, the NDVI value is ranges to 1 to -1, and using satellite image, we are using this index. So we are mostly used two band. One is near infrared, other is the red band. So fundamental question is that why time series matter? Because the vegetation is very dynamic. It changes uh, month to month, even a week to week, so day by day. So it's very frequently changes. That's why we needed a time series analysis to understanding the actual picture of the vegetation cover, because when a build-up area is growing up, so uh, primarily identified that the vegetation is the damage. So really try to monitor how the over time period vegetation is the growing and back to previous condition, or anything happened on this. So that's why our time series analysis is required. uh, so let's show how to analyze the NDVI. This video is two part. In the first part we analyze the how NDVI is calculated, and the in second part we analyze how time series implement on this code. So uh, firstly we identified our region of study. So I draw a rectangle shape, that is our RY, means the region of interest. Okay. Okay, this is a variable created, that's name is geometry. So I named to it a study area. Okay, we find our study area. So the study area, we are going to visualize our study area. To make this video short, I prepare a code for all of you so that we very shortly complete the video. So okay, so firstly I want to see my study area on the map. That is, I put this two code. One is the study area, like I centered my study area in the map, because you have seen that this is very frequently we could change these things, like okay, this can be moved. So where is study area? That's why we call the center object command, and our study area put here, and zoom scale 9. So secondly I add my study area in the map, so that's why I add layer and put a study area here. So now run this code. Okay, you have seen that the map is going to our desired point. So now I going to collect the image. Okay, uh, in this study we are using Landsat 8 reflectance, and you have seen that we called a collection variable where we collect image collection command, and Landsat 8 reflectance we use, and we collect the image from the month of November 2024. So this is the starting end and this is the ending date. So image is collected between these uh, two time frame. So uh, in the collection, all of the image of Landsat 8 reflectance is this. The November month is the collector. So uh, we we go for the NDVI calculation. So in the NDVI calculation, previously we show the equation. Okay, this is the equation NDVI, that is the near infrared minus red band divided by near infrared plus red band. So here we use the normalized difference command, and in the Landsat 8 image collection, band 5 is the near infrared and band 4 is the red band. So and rename the image is the NDVI. So our NDVI is ready. So now I clip the NDVI to the desired study area. Okay, okay. So I called a variable the script NDVI and put the collection, then map to NDVI. So use the NDVI function to the collection, and uh, then this NDVI function to calculation. So our image is not calculated. So here we calculation NDVI, and then we put the mean value, and finally we clip with the study area. So now I want to see my code. Okay, so let's visualize the output, so that we could see that. So I add a layer that is clipped NDVI, and I named it to clipped NDVI. Let's run the code. Okay, something is error. That is the problem with that I don't any visualization parameters. So how it would uh, visualize? So I have a visualization uh, parameters. Let's put it before the add layer. Okay, now run the code. Okay, we have another error that uh, I I did not. Okay, I add the visualization parameter, but it don't put in the map add layer. So now run the code. Hopefully this time we get our desired output. Okay, that is our output of NDVI of our study area. You have seen that the dark green color is the more vegetation cover area, and the green to yellow and brown color, that is the build up area. So this is the city center. So here the structure density is very high, that's why this is the grayish or red color, and this is the green color, that is high vegetation cover. So now I want to save this output to my uh, personal folder or my portable folder. Like I export to this output. Okay. Where I export image to the drive. So it is uh, stored in my Google Drive, which account I use. So then I collect the image, that is clip NDVI, then put a description, uh, NDVI in a study area. Okay. Then give the scale. So you all know that the Landsat images have a resolution with 30 meter by 30 meter, and our region is the study areas, and file format is the GOTF. Then the folder name is stored in the Google Drive, save the image. So now run the code. Okay, okay, in the task center you see that there was an unsubmitted task. So run this section. Okay, uh, run this area. So some additional things I want to share with you. I put this code to the uh, you get the description box, the code link, so where you get the code and use your purpose. I want to share additional thing, that is, so here we use a rectangle shape. If we use any specific location, like in the Bangladesh context, here I already add the okay, here I already add the a table from our asset folder, that is admin BBS. So Bangladesh Bureau of Statistics shapefile is already added to the asset section. You have seen that lots of asset is added. So from the asset I use table on, where the admin level 2 is given. So let's see if I going to study any specific location, like Patna is one of the district of the Bangladesh, so it was put in admin level 2, and the Patna is the name location. And if we want to run this area, okay, okay, you have seen that the Patna, this is the Patna district, and the NDVI is calculated. So um, using this data, you could analyze any area image, just changes the name. Like if you uh, name this JSK Dhaka, then this is give you out of Dhaka. So uh, you have seen that this is the output of Dhaka. Even if we uh, any district from Bangladesh, we could analyze using these things. So thank you guys for spend your valuable time to seeing this video. I am not sure how I satisfied you, but hope that it will help you to analyze the NDVI in Google Art Engine. You could use Sentinel image in respect to better resolution, alternative of Landsat. So uh, you may, if you need it, put in the comments box. I will give you the code. So thank you all. In the next part, I will share with you how to calculate the time series analysis. Uh, so thank you all. This is the end.